Hello guys, welcome again. In our last class, we looked at some of the elements that have a stable electronic arrangement. Elements that do not lose or gain electrons. And we said we have helium having an electron configuration of 2. It does not lose or gain electrons. We have neon with the electron configuration 2:8. It neither gains or loses electrons. And we have argon, which is 2:8:8, having a stable configuration, therefore it does not gain or lose electrons. Elements that do not have this electronic arrangement form ions. They form ions. So elements without this electron configuration, they form ions, but either gaining or losing electrons. Metals usually lose electrons because they have 1, 2, 3 electrons in the outermost energy levels. And non-metals usually lose electrons. Non-metals usually lose electrons. For example, those that have 5, 6, 7 electrons in the outermost energy level. If the outermost energy level has 5 electrons, therefore it means that it gains 3 electrons. If it has to be stable. And if it has 6 electrons in the outermost energy level, it means it gains 2. And if it has 7 electrons in the outermost energy level, it gains 1 electron. So today we're going to look at valency. And so what is valency? This is very important in the study of chemistry. What is valency? Valency is the number of electrons, an atom loses or gains during a chemical reaction. So valency is very critical, and this thing I'm going to talk about today is very essential in the study of chemistry, because we find many learners do not know how to write the formula of a compound. They also don't know how to write an equation, a well-balanced chemical equation. So today we're going to look at valency, which is very key. It follows these steps. When you want to know how to balance an equation, first of all, you must know the symbols of all elements. But usually, first 2 elements. Number 2, symbols of elements. Number 2, you should know their valencies. After knowing the symbols, you should know their valency. Number 3, after knowing the valencies, there is a way that we exchange these valencies so that you know how to write the chemical formula. There is a way that we exchange so that you can write the chemical formula. Number 4, after writing the chemical formula, you can write an equation, a chemical equation which must be balanced. A chemical equation which must be balanced. For you to know a chemistry, you must know how to write a well-balanced chemical equation. So we're going to start from the symbols of elements. You must know them. If you don't know that sodium is N, capital N, small a, that is natrium, sodium, you cannot know how to write the formula of sodium oxide if you don't know the valency of oxygen. So today I'm going to show you how chemistry starts. The chemistry life starts here. So we're going to start with the valency of elements. So we have a valency 1. for metals. We are going to start for metals. We have valency 1, valency 2, valency 2, and valency 3. Valency 3. Then for valency 1, for metals, we have lithium, which loses 1 electron, is a metal. We have sodium. We have sodium. We have sodium. Lithium is Li. Sodium is capital N small a, from the Latin name natrium. We have potassium. Potassium. K from Latin name kalium, and we have silver. Silver. Ag from Latin name argentum. These are the metals in valency 1 that you need to know as a chemistry student. Let's go to valency 2. We have magnesium. We have magnesium Mg. We have magnesium Mg. We have